Are you dreaming of a new life in Spain? Imagine exchanging California's bustling cities for Spain's rich culture, stunning landscapes, and Mediterranean lifestyle. More Californians are making the move to Spain in 2024, drawn by its incredible benefits. From Los Angeles to San Francisco, your journey starts with SDC International Shipping. Spain offers a unique blend of opportunities. The cost of living is lower, making it an ideal place to enjoy a high quality of life. Spain's healthcare system is top-notch and affordable, ensuring you and your loved ones have access to excellent medical services. Remote workers and freelancers are flocking to Spain thanks to the digital nomad visa. With options like the non-lucrative visa and the golden visa for property investors, moving to Spain has never been easier. For many Californians, the cultural and linguistic familiarity makes the transition smooth. The prevalence of the Spanish language and Latino culture in California creates a comforting bridge to your new home. At SDC International Shipping, we specialize in making your move to Spain seamless and stress-free. From packing and transportation to customs and delivery, our team of experts handles it all. At SDC International Shipping, we understand the excitement and challenges of moving internationally. Our goal is to provide you with personalized, reliable service every step of the way. Let us help you start your new adventure in Spain. Make your move to Spain with confidence. Trust SDC International Shipping to deliver a hassle-free relocation experience. Contact us today to learn more about our services and start planning your move to Spain. Visit our website or call us at 877-339-0267. SDC International Shipping, your trusted partner in international relocations.